Sitting around the table with family, having a meal, means everything.
Because the hardest thing about being deployed is, as soldiers, when we leave, time stands still for us, and we remember everything as the day that we deployed. While we're gone, life goes on without us.
While I was deployed, I definitely missed, being around family. Definitely missed food. I love to eat.
Tastes of home were going to grandma's and having Sunday dinner.
Every time I would eat the spaghetti MRE, I would think of my mom's spaghetti and meatballs, and it would take me right back to the kitchen table.
My grandmother's chicken and dumpling soup. It was a meal that got everybody together.
My mom's meatloaf, I don't know, I guess it just kind of reminded me of Sunday evening, all of us sitting around the table.
I missed fried chicken.
Fried chicken. Fried chicken.
Grandma made the best fried chicken. Crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside, and just delicious.
My Norwegian mother's Swedish pancakes.
I always miss my mother's cornbread, black-eyed peas.
Spaghetti and meatballs that my mother cooks.
She just had that special touch.
She never used a recipe. She knew how to cook.
Just a nice medium rare steak.
Fried potatoes and onions.
My grandma's gumbo.
Fried pork chops.
I don't know the recipe. She's probably not gonna give it away.
My mom's lasagna reminds me of being at home. The first day that I was back, it was lasagna time.
Grandpa makes special foods, like he makes this thing called hamburger bread. Only he makes it for me. My dad doesn't even know the recipe to that yet.
When I was deployed, my granny sent me a letter saying, "Don't worry, I'm saving the enchiladas for you when you get back," and she did.
And I was over there in 140-degree heat, eating sand, and all I could think was, man, if I just had some BK Diet Coke, I would be awesome.
What I missed most from home was being able to sit down and have a good meal with my family.
Food is a bond between family, and it just brought you home real quick.
There's something about just being able to sit down at a table and have dinner with your family.